This one broke TikTok. 4.5 million people, including me, were like this when we saw this. It's Kopari Sunglaze, a sprayed on SPF 50 that looks like liquid highlighter when you put it on. You can mist it over makeup, over sweat, over bad decisions, doesn't matter. Now let's test it outside. Is it sticky? Nope. Glowing?
Not sweaty, clean, glowy.
Alright, now I understand the hype. TikTok swears these sunscreens glow, so I bought them to rank them from sweaty to glowing. So let's go. You already know this one, right? It's Super Good Glow Screen, the Clean Girl Classic. It's an SPF 40 chemical and it acts as a dewy primer. And everyone says that it makes your skin look like a beauty filter in real life. Tone matte. I'm just gonna apply it on half of my face to see the difference. And now outside test. Glowy?
I think this one is glowy, glassy.
This one's famous for texture, and I see why. This is Glow Recipe Watermelon Dew Stick. This is SPF 45 made with niacinamide and watermelon, and it smells so good. It just, when I look at it, it just looks like a massive lip balm for your whole face, and I love it. I'm gonna swipe the cheeks first to see what it looks like. Now let's do the full face. And sunlight check. Sticky? A little. And the glow?
It looks a little sweaty.
Really? This one is viral on the no makeup world. This is Cusses Dream Bean. It's a tinted mineral SPF 40 with the skincare built-in. It has peptides, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. They say it feels like skincare and it looks like light foundations. Alright, now let's do natural light check. Sticky? Nope. Did you feel glowy?
That's less sweaty, more normal.
This one is an every beach day video and I'm here for it. The Tula Glow Stick is SPF 50, she's shimmery and it rolls on like butter. Packaging 10 out of 10. And the consistency is like candy. It's definitely less dewy than Glow Recipe but smoother. I want to do half face test again to see the difference. And now outside test. Sticky? Not bad. Glowy or sweaty?
You look pretty normal.
Meet the $14 dupe that came for Super Goop's money. This is e.l.f. Whoa Glow. It's a SPF 30 and a makeup primer. Not to cause drama, I just want to do a side-by-side comparison. Nearly identical. And now outside test. Tell us about the glow.
A little glow.
Sticky? Yeah. For $14, this is pretty good. It's ranking time. At the bottom, Glow Recipe, you're very juicy but too sticky, girl. Tula, you're next. Sweaty or glowy? I still don't know. Cusses, elegant glow but lost aura points for the price. e.l.f. shockingly good for a 2-in-1. Super Goop, still a fave if you use very little. And number 1, Kopari, you'll be the Teletubby baby son if you put this on. Alright, but tell me your winner and what should I do next? Pura vida!